Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you some car merch I got at the recent ELMIA car show here in Sweden, which is the biggest car show we have here. And got this strange energy drink from what I was really tired because I have two kids and they don't let me sleep at night basically, but I still went to the car show and everything. So I was asking for one of the people standing there showing the parts if I could have one of their energy drinks. So I'm gonna try this one out. As soon as I told them I have two kids and I don't sleep at night basically, they just throw this at me. So I'm gonna have a taste on the 80 car parts energy drink merch. Well, it tastes sort of like the rest of the energy drinks. Nothing much about this. Sort of like Red Bull or Kong or all those normal brands. So just wanted to show you that stuff like this is usually all the same. They just rebrand it because they need to stand out in an audience, I guess. And it's always the same ingredients. Just dash of protein, salts, and the main ingredients are always the caffeine and taurine. So I'm gonna go into details about that. You have to Google yourself. So not impressed, but it keeps me awake. When I'm working on shitty cars. Yeah.